One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Out here working on a couple different things. In fact, got the grill out of the Chevy. Going to be doing stuff to it. Got the wheels painted. But I was getting this running to try and get it out of the way and move some stuff and lock myself out. And I'll tell you what, my little kit over here, let me show you this. Comes in a big package. There's a link in the description below. My Amazon Associates store. I make a % or 2 or 3 if you buy, but this one here's cool because if you got the old style door locks that have the big thing on top, you just wrap it around it and pull this little marble, and it pulls it tight when you pull the marble out. Pretty cool. That's the extension for the long reach. I don't think I'll need it. I've got what I need up here on top, and I had to put a battery charger on my car. I forgot about that before I started breaking in, and when I did it, I pulled this to see if they would come on. The lights wouldn't come on. I'm going to go behind, which I usually don't go this way, but I'm going to go behind the rubber seal. I know how these cars are put together, and it makes it really easy. Here we go. Okay, I'm in. Now, if I could just get this to the power locks, push the button, boom. We're in. So once you open this, it'll all come crashing down. I want to show you on this. This is a really tight thing here, and you're going to want to slip this in here, and you got to push it apart between this much, and it'll go back, but just you got to get that rod through there. And here you can see what I mean. When you pull this back, it'll allow me to go straight through here and push this against the door. So that works good. I can pop that back on, and I'm in. And this thing should start, yeah. It's got a clicking noise, and I can't seem to figure out now how to get it out of gear. So yeah, that's a whole nother issue. So I'm taking my keys with me. Put them on top here, and that's that. We are in the truck, and all is good. I don't know anything else to show you on this. The long reach tool and the wedges and the air pads, I've done saved more money than you could ever imagine. Thousands and thousands and thousands. I lock keys in cars. Employees lock keys in cars. I have people call me asking me can they use my kit because it's cheaper for them to come by my place and pick up my lock kit than it is for them to pay a locksmith like 80 or 100 bucks. Depends on where you are. Sometimes you can get it more and less than that. Okay, all kinds of cars, all kinds of videos coming up. Make sure and check them out. I do daily stuff now again. I wasn't doing that for a while. Got a brand new TR70B. There's a review of that coming up or already on my channel. Lots of crypto mining stuff, and always lots of Trans Ams and classics. I did get the Monte Carlo in and the GMT 400 truck. This thing has 51,000 original miles. Beautiful truck. Okay, that's that. You have been updated with using this kit. Links down below. Thanks for watching. We will talk to you. oneownercarguy.com.